Welcome back, everyone. This is the TI-30X Pro math print. A lot of the times people have asked me if you had something like 9 divided by 160, 9 divided by 160, and it gives you an answer of 0.05625, can you round it? In this case, what is that? Tens, hundredths place. Can you do that? And the question is, you can. What do you do? Well, the first thing you want to do is click on Mode. And then right here where it says Float, let's say you want 2 numbers after the decimal place. So you enter. Okay, you got to enter to make sure it's placed. Second, Mode to quit. And the cool thing about this calculator is you can press Enter again and look. Now it's changed it. 9 over 160 is 0.06. And that is because it rounded, because there's a 6 here. If it's 5 or more, it's going to round this other number. And so it's 0.6. Pretty neat, right? That's how you'll be able to get the rounding at the place that you want. I hope this was an interesting video for you. Please give us a thumbs up. Please tell your teacher. Please subscribe. Thank you for those who have utilized the super thanks. I appreciate that in supporting the channel. And if you have any questions, put them down on the comment section. I hope this video helps. All right, bye-bye.